Hi friends, it's Sid here, and I am so excited to share with you some highlights from Permatours' latest Northeast Eco-Communities Convergence held in Unity, Maine. So this event was our first bioregional activation where we brought together the different land-based projects and communities in our network and beyond to share their learnings and their work, the support that they're calling in, and we invited them to exchange knowledge and resources to support bioregional resiliency building. We were honored to learn from Indigenous peoples too, including one of the original Wabanaki peoples of the land where we gathered, as well as other Indigenous leaders from across Turtle Island and Mexico, who shared with us ways to practice land rematriation and how to decolonize community spaces and connect deeper with the land and give thanks to her for all she provides. We also enjoyed daily ceremony and nourishing meals, sensory nature walks, plant identification and foraging, singing circles, and sessions in how to live in community, how to practice agroforestry, support Indigenous self-determination, build towards just and regenerative economies, and how to plug in locally and change local laws. We also got to help our host, Mafka, Home to the Common Ground Fair, with a root cellar build so that they can store food year-round. And we also made biochar alongside the Moon Stage, where we celebrated every night with community dances and performances and even a short play. I also want to thank Kinship Earth for their financial support. With that help, we were able to offer scholarships to those who couldn't afford to attend the gathering, and we were able to resource those who educated on Indigenous lifeways and bioregionalism, or how we can return to organizing and gathering around our natural ecosystems and landscapes and cultures versus political and economic boundaries. So now we're in the process of collecting feedback and exploring how we can collectively forward our mission as a cohesive network, how we can tap into the collective intelligence of this community and our bioregion to inform what we do together next. So on that note, I just want to thank you all so much for showing up and for bringing your gifts and your service and your love. It is such an honor to be co-creating alongside each and every one of you. And I'm so excited for what comes next. Thank you.